My dear class 8 students, again I welcome you to this video of chapter 16, our constitution of standard 8 political science. In this video we shall discuss about federal and unitary system of governance. First of all, we shall discuss about unitary government or unitary system of governance. In all the countries of the world, governments of different levels are there. One government is there to look after whole the country. Another type of governments are there to look after different provinces of the country, generally known as provincial government. And all the villages and all the cities of the countries have their local governments known by different names in different countries. If the local governments work under control of the provincial governments and the provincial governments work under control of the central government, it is called unitary system of governance. Means the national government, union government or central government, known by these three names, the central, union or national government controls all the lower governments of the country. They work under guidance of the central or national government. The power to govern the country, the power to run the country or the political power is completely used by the central government. Now come to federal government, federation or federal system of governance. I am once again repeating the name: federation, federal government or federal system of governance. What is a federation? In a federation also, the countries have different levels of government. If we take example of India, we have three levels of government: the union, national or central government to look after whole the country. You can see central government or union government. It looks after whole the country. Then in India we have state governments. State governments are our provincial governments. They look after different states of our country. And at the third level we have local governments. It is also known as Panchayati Raj system. In villages, the local governments are known by the name of village panchayat. In a small cities it is known by the name of Nagar Panchayat, and in big cities municipalities or municipal corporations are there. Municipal corporations are there in very big cities. So we have these three levels of government in our country India: national government, state government and the local government or Panchayati Raj system. Unlike unitary system of governance, the three levels of government in our country have separate jurisdiction. They have separate jurisdiction means the lower level of governments do not function under control of the upper levels. Means the state level of government does not control the local governments, and the national or the central government of India does not control the state government. they have separate area of functioning. They perform different kind of duties for our country. You can take example of your family. Same children are there in the family. If they need money, money is provided by the father normally. When the children need food, it is normally provided by the mother. If you need washed clothes, again it is provided by your mother. And if you need to go for outing, if you need to go to watch a cinema, these facilities are provided to you by your father. In the same way, the different levels of government in our country do different work for the country. They fulfill different needs of the citizen of the country. For example, if any of the city, any of the village or any of the state of our country is invaded by any other country, then central government looks after the state, place or city. It keeps whole the country safe from any outer invasion or any attack. But if any land related issue is there between two citizens of the country, this land related issue, this land related problem is solved by the state government. So in this way, what do we see? In a federation also, different levels of government govern the same citizen, but their area of governance is different. Our country India is a federation. It has different levels of government. Their jurisdiction means their area of working, their area of functioning is different. In this video, this much only. Different subtopics of this chapter we shall discuss in the next video.